What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping in. Sorry guys, I have not uploaded and it's been like 2 weeks. We are over here at the new house. We have actually been working on this. We've been square baling straw for a neighbor, and we've also been dealing with our own hay. And the fact is, if I use my camera, I either got to go to my sister's house or my dad's house and use their internet to do my editing and uploading and all that. And I'm currently waiting on internet to get installed here at the new house. So I'm just going to use my phone for now. Hopefully the quality and everything will be fine. But we're actually going to be talking about the 98 here. So a lot of you guys know I've been building this truck for quite some time. We are actually getting ready to do new front and rear bumpers. I do have like the D.M.I hitch on this thing because we used it during our hay and stuff, and it's time for it to go. It's got some dings, it's got some dents. We kind of made a big dent right there from when we were towing it onto the trailer when the control module went out of it. So I went and picked up 2 bumpers from Chad. He had a parts truck. It's the factory rear, and then the front bumper up here is actually the clean chrome, so there's no, I'll call this like the bumper guard, bumper trim. It's not on there. It's just a one big chrome piece, and then it's also got the lower valance, which I'm kind of excited for. I was talking to some guys because it being chrome, I do want to sandblast it and have it powder coated, and guys say, yeah, you can definitely sandblast it, powder coat it, as long as the prep is correct, you'll have no issue. So that being said, we're actually going to be powder coating the gloss black to match the Moto metal wheels, and then along with the rear bumper we're going to be doing gloss black, and then the Reese hitch that actually will be like mounted up in here underneath the truck, we're going to have it gloss black, and then the track bars are going to be going gloss black. We are getting ready to hopefully pull the crusty bed off, and then that's what I'm going to do. All my frame, leaf springs, everything, new shocks, all that fun stuff. And I'm probably going to have the exhaust redone on this, just because the headers that are on it, they come down, and it's actually the collectors that bolt together. I don't know if I'll be able to show you. Yeah, right in there. Those actually bolt together, and I want like the socket type ones where it's like 2 ovals and they kind of sandwich together, less likely to leak and stuff, because I do have a small ticking noise on the passenger side and it just drives me nuts. Other upgrades we're going to be doing, I'm going to be taking all these lights out. Obviously that has moisture in it, so I'm going to bake them, pull them apart, reseal them, make sure they're good to go. The marker lights here, they need to be re-cleared. They're starting to chip, so I'm going to strip these down, probably do a thin layer of black over top of them, and then clear them. Same thing with the rear tail lights. I actually picked those up from Chad as well, and I'm going to strip the clear off of them, do a couple layers of black, clear over them so it kind of tints them up. People say use that VHT nightshades. I've used it on a couple vehicles, and it just, over time, it just kind of fades and looks funny. So yeah, other than that, that's basically it for now on the 98. The 79, we have to put the front bumper on. We have to do the steering shaft upgrade. It needs oil change, tranny fluid change, excuse me. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff we got to get done on that. Diesel extravaganza is coming up. That's actually in Lyons, Indiana. My girlfriend Shaylin, her brother Steven actually lives like, I don't know, 2-3 miles from it. So we're actually, if this isn't in the shop, gonna be using this and the Gooseneck to tow the 79 up there. And he just bought a 2008 Cummins that he's gonna be driving down there. So I'll probably end up driving the 79 down there. Obviously we're gonna tow it up there with this, and then we'll drive it down there. So if any of you guys are gonna be going to that, be sure to look out for me. I'm sure I'll be filming there because I'm a huge diesel guy. I think diesels are they're just great. I'd rather watch diesels do drag racing, truck pulling, stuff like that versus high horsepower like the NHRA stuff. That just not my cup of tea. Like I said, I'm just a huge diesel guy. But hopefully we'll have that. I guess if we don't, I'll just have to find somebody else to tow it up there for me. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions about this truck or the 79 future plans, just leave them down in the comments. I do apologize, guys. This video is going to be short and sweet. We have been busy working on this. Like I said, we have been actually baling straw for the guy that just lives up the road. We have hay we got to do today. We baled some yesterday, so it's been all over the place with details and body work I'm trying to get done with the hay, and then just the new house. It's kind of crazy. So I'm sorry, guys. We do get internet installed July 15th, so next Tuesday. So I'll be able to actually break out the camera again, get all my equipment set up here, get the man cave set up down here, and yeah. So that being said, I'm sorry again, guys, but remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one.